this is my favourite place to buy meat in the market.
Really? This place?
Gary's is absolute quality. When you're in Melbourne, you've got to always check out this place.
It looks amazing.
Definitely the place where we're going to get your beef cheeks now.
Awesome, great, let's get some.
Hi, welcome to my market kitchen. I've got the incredible Jacob here today in the kitchen. Mate, welcome.
Thank you, great to be here.
What are we cooking today?
We are making my Guinness Drunken Cheeky Beef.
Nice.
Now, cheeky because it's beef cheeks, okay? And as it's a muscle that gets used so much by the animal, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slow cook it and break down all those tissues and make it really soft. Great for winter if you're in the southern states. But if you're in Queensland, you could probably cook this maybe twice a year. But maybe here in Melbourne,
Mate, I
every day.
cook it every week.
Yeah. We've got some of the beef cheeks here, and they've got a bit of the sinew that we might get you to cut off.
You can get your butcher to do this, guys, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, and you just want to run your knife underneath and then just slide it across.
Yeah, you can see that it's actually really quite tough.
It's very tough.
And so obviously the slow cooking won't break that down.
Exactly. The slow cooking will break down everything else except for this.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to add our aromats, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of chopped brown onion.
Nice.
1 chopped carrot, and then also got 2 sticks of celery as well. So we're going to add that.
So it's almost like a classic sort of mirepoix.
Exactly that.
Yeah.
Exactly that. Now, just to add a little bit more onionness, I don't know if that's even a word. I've got some pickling onions. Now, you can get these come in different sizes. These ones are a bit bigger, so I'm going to cut these ones in half, Mike. So I'll get you to cut those once you're done with that. You are letting the team down a little bit.
I didn't know it was a race.
Now, I've got 1 bulb of garlic. Now, because this is just all going to be slow cooked, I'm just going to keep it whole. I've just cut it in half and just add it in. 2 anchovy fillets. And they will just dissolve in the slow cooker while it's cooking away.
I love the fact that we're just putting everything in same time. Sorry, chef, I forgot to ask, how would you like it cut?
You're doing a great job. Now, while that's all in, and before I add the beef, I'm just going to add a good glug of olive oil. So it's kind of layering your slow cooker because the vegetables at the bottom are the flavour.
Yeah.
Now, I've got some Guinness here. Now, if you don't have Guinness, you can just use a dark stout. Ooh. Now listen, this is just a bit of a bigger can, but about 375 mils of Guinness. And then further to that, I'm going to add a cup of red wine. And
Flavour.
And when I say red wine, like a cup, just
a generous cup.
And just to finish it off, I've just got some thyme.
The fresh herbs on a braise like this, they're important, aren't they?
It's almost like a tea. You're making a savoury tea.
Yeah.
And
it just perfumes everything that's going on in there. And obviously, if you can't get the fresh herbs, dry herbs work as well.
Great. So now, depending on your slow cooker, this will probably take 6 to 8 hours. Now, also, if you don't have a slow cooker, you can do this in an oven, in a crock pot, and that will take a little bit less time, probably about 4 hours.
All right, so while that's cooking, I want to go get a Guinness with you, mate.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So now that we're about to serve our beef cheeks, I'm just going to get some polenta going. So polenta is really simple. So I've got 1 litre of chicken stock, or you could use vegetable stock, about 1 cup of polenta, and then just make sure you put it in a steady stream, just so it doesn't get all clumpy.
Nice.
Move it around. Now, obviously, polenta is a corn, if that wasn't obvious, which it's not. And I'm just going to whisk it, okay? And this will probably take about 10 minutes to do. So we'll just continue doing that. Vacuum cleaner. Someone's doing the vacuum cleaner.
I was going to say, hopefully by the time we're finished, they've stopped hoovering. How are you going there whisking, mate?
Yeah, great. Thanks for your help.
Working your guns, brother.
Working my guns. So now the polenta is pretty much, it's fully cooked. So what we're going to do is just add a bit of flavour, which is butter. So I've got 30 grams of butter here. We've just got a good block of Parmesan that I've just grated here. And so, listen, I say a cup because why not? Obviously, like the butter and the cheese will melt, so you have this beautiful silky polenta. But if you don't want to do polenta, because it is a little bit unique, you could also just do like a mashed potato as well if you want to keep it really simple. But doing this takes it to a whole new level.
100%, and also the colours. Like it's the sort of thing. Like if I
Look at
put this
that.
in front of my daughter, she would want to eat it just because it's yellow.
Yeah, right.
You know,
really
it's
fun.
a bit fun.
Now, I'm just going to put it in the bowl and then just put a little bit of an indentation, spread around the plate.
Yeah.
And now we are ready to serve.
Nice. There
Right,
you
okay.
go.
So which piece? We'll go this one. This looks great. Okay. See the
at that.
colour? Put that in there like that.
I love things like this. This is the sort of food I grew up eating, you know, especially coming from the Caribbean.
Right.
Like beef cheeks, oxtail.
Delicious.
You know, the slow braises, the slow cooks.
So yum. And now I'm just going to add some of the sauce and the gravy. And now just to finish this off, we are going just to add a bit of green, because you know, greenery, healthy. So we're going to just add...
Balance all that cheese.
Exactly. Balance the cheese out. We're just going to add some fresh thyme. Let's dig in, Mike.
Whoa.
Smells so delicious.
Looks so good.
Cream polenta. You don't even need a knife for this.
No.
It just pulls apart.
Pulls straight off.
You go with like the depth of the stout. It's so warm and hearty.
It's just winter on a plate.
It is.
That is so exciting. The flavours, the combination, that cheesy polenta.
So good.
Oh,
Delicious.
I
Make
don't
sure
know-
you try it.
I don't know what you're going to be eating. This one's all mine, guys.
I know what I mean.